Is this machine intimidating you? Relax, let's get you sewing under 2 minutes. First we gotta fill up. Loop your main thread around the top tension disc and wrap it onto the empty bobbin. Lock the spindle to the right. Hit the gas and watch it fill up. Unlock, snip, and you're ready. Now down below. Pop that fresh bobbin into the metal case. Slide the thread through the slot until it snaps under the tension spring. Load the case into the shuttle race. Push firmly until you hear a loud click. Main event time. Follow the arrows. Now down the right up to the left. Catch the metal hook and straight down to the needle. Turn the handwheel towards you to fish up the bottom thread. Let's keep it simple. Set dial to A, straight stitch, and length to the number 2. Slide your fabric under. Drop the pressure foot lever, this is non-negotiable. Ease onto the pedal. Don't fight the fabric, just guide it gently. Look at that, a perfect strong stitch.